Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install the Google Meet app on Windows 11. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're using Chrome because the install option isn't available in every browser. Next, go to google.com and sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Then select Google Meet to open the Meet website. Once you're on the Google Meet page, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. From there, choose Save and Share, then click Install Google Meet. A confirmation window will appear. Click Install, and Google Meet will be installed as a standalone app on your Windows 11 PC. After the installation is complete, you can close Chrome and Google Meet will continue running as its own application. You can also open the Start menu, search for Google Meet, and launch it anytime, just like any other app installed on your computer. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.